moment, the National Trust are having a big incentive to get people to come out and enjoy the outdoors, the great outdoors, and that's what we at Hafod Campsite are all about. Here at the National Trust Campsite, we encourage people, especially people with young families, to come up here and enjoy the heart of Snowdonia and all it has to offer. Hafod was bought by public donations in the Snowdonia appeal, which was spearheaded by Sir Anthony Hopkins, who donated the first million, and we managed to get hold of the money required to buy the land. Here we're based at the foot of Snowdon. Where I'm standing now is the entrance from the campsite, which links into the Watkin Path, which is the toughest but most rewarding route to the summit of Snowdon. And one of my favourite highlights, and only a stone's throw away from the campsite at Hafod, is that we're unique in that there is an ever-decreasing amount of campsites which allow campfires. We at Hafod Campsite allow campfires at £6.50 per night after 6 p.m. with the use of all the wood that you can burn located in the woodshop. Oh, if you go camping, it's a great way of getting the kids involved. You send the kids down to get firewood, you come back up, you get the fire burning, get a bag of marshmallows toasted on sticks. It's a great family experience. At the end of the day, it's a good way of keeping warm on a chilly summer night.
It's our second time here and we decided to come back because the location's fantastic.
Coming here, well, Jack's been coming here ever since you can remember. I've been coming here for about 20-25 years.
I used to get up in the morning and you could look straight up to Snowdon and see whether you could climb or not. And I brought my kids back here, which is lovely.
Well, I think it's a good time for the likes of families like aka me and my dad to, without like technology of today, just to really talk to each other one-to-one and get to know and spend quality time with each other.
I like it because it's got the modern amenities, it's got a shower block, it's got toilets, it's by a stream, and it's got campfires set out for us, it's got firewood, and like Paul said, it's on the doorstep of the Watkin Path.
In this day and age, health and safety has gone right over the top, and it's great to be able to have a nice traditional campfire on a lovely traditional site.
Sorry, go on. Thanks for running there.
Yes, so next time that you're passing through Snowdonia on your way to Bedgellet, perhaps you could hop in at Hafod Campsite and check us out.